Good afternoon. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group. We are talking metals, and gold prices continue the bullish trend with huge momentum. Highest weekly settle. You got to go all since last year, and it seems to me that we've got a lot of things really working for gold here. Don't forget we were trading around 1240 back in the middle of December. We've rallied about 8% since then very quickly, and I think that this really is going to be propelled higher, not only with the uncertainties growing in the world, not only here in the U.S. There's certainly a big hope trade out there that Asia and Europe will start to follow suit and things will pick up there. But as you put on bets that happens, you need to have some kind of insurance policy. I think gold is that insurance policy right now. Likewise, if you look at the dollar continues to just get beat up. And if you look at what the central banks in Asia and Europe are doing, they're withdrawing stimulus. They're not raising rates, not like the Fed is, but they are starting to cut back on their asset purchases, or talking about cutting back on their asset purchases, and that is having adverse effects on their currencies. So you're seeing their currencies rally, hurting the dollar, which obviously in turn bids gold. And while we do talk about gold having many variables for why it goes up, certainly the dollar getting hit, heading back towards those lows we saw in 2017, which was a very anemic year for the dollar. Certainly helping to keep gold prices elevated. Now, what are we missing here? We've got bullish fundamental news, bullish technical news. The speculators and the positioning, they continue to buy. They're nearing the highest levels we saw in 2017. And I think right now they're going to exceed them, because as we continue to see risks rise in the States, how high can the Fed raise rates? How flat can the yield curve get? How high could inflation get if it even goes up? We did see a stronger CPI number, but certainly not anywhere in the realm of, oh my gosh, inflation is going through the roof level. And I think that in itself is going to continue to fuel buyers of gold. So you've got a lot of bullish things working for gold here. We certainly have some upside technical targets. We could be looking at hitting 1350 the first, but I think ultimately it's just going to be a slow grind higher as we get more and more data in. And ultimately it comes down to not only what's going on globally as an economic growth, but it comes down to Fed policy. How high will they take rates, and when will they stop or pause and let the market get its legs back under it? So very bullish heading into the weekend. This is Todd Colvin coming to you from the floor of the CME Group.